Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Sherwood Skul ka badana Tura kalalong ka bawan Hakhmat dua ka Eksamin Matrik lani ka secondary school leaving certificate examination arajar apulai ya ka baya ka result lapan bana menta ka sngi da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education ka samridhya das jong ka Sherwood School kalayo ya ka kerdan beningkong ha ka top 20 da ka bakur hadu sanspa nyo pu ar marks ka bawan baar ka de ka Jyoti Priya Bhattacharjee jong ka Skul St Margaret's Shillong Kiladan laingot ki balawan ha ka kerdan ka balai bakentup ya ka Tanushree Acharjee na St Margaret's Shillong u Ritam Deep Chaudhry na Sherwood School bat Salmiri M Sangma na St Xavier Secondary School Tura. Ya ka kerdan basawat basan na yu do Rongrek B Sangma na Aeroville High Secondary School Tura baru Kennedy Dondo Richmond Dunai na All Saints Diocesan High Secondary School Shillong.
And my sister, my top supporter. This esteemed accolade now, I'll stop, I'll deactivate my account. No, use. So, I even used after like during exams and stuff. Here, I'm so happy, I am speechless. Last but not the least, I would like to thank myself and my parents. Yeah, thank you. You should be happy. Always be chill. Don't think, You can. Okay, I did not study that much.
I want to thank God the Almighty for having blessed our school with good results. Because no matter how much human beings work hard or how intelligent we may be, unless God blessed their studies and their examination, nothing could be done. Other years we do have good students, but then we didn't get as much good results with the 2nd, 3rd and 11th rank in the state. And we have many letter marks and highest marks in different subjects. Secondly, I want to thank our teachers who have really worked hard, taking extra classes, extra tests for students, having late classes in December and in January. And I would say they are very sincere in their work and they have great love for the students. Then the parents who work with us collaboratively and who have helped us whenever we call them for any meeting, they are always there. So I want to thank everyone at this juncture. My heart will raise up to God and to all the persons involved in this success. Thank you.
It really took some efforts to reach there. Like, I thought I wouldn't make it, but then I thought, no, I have to try it. I have to try my best.
What is your message to the young ones who are looking up to you right now?
My only message to the young ones is that just be regular and don't worry about anything. It's like you just have to understand and just be regular. It's nothing to worry about, and always remember to do your best and always remember to pray to God, for nothing can be done without God's blessings after all.
Also, to secure this rank, does it require you to study 24/7 or what?
No, it doesn't require to study 24/7. You just need to understand the concepts and study regularly.
Yeah, like schedule type.
Yes.
Schedule type, yes.
What do you plan to do next time?
I'm still thinking. I haven't thought about future yet. I'm still figuring out.
Thank you.
Okay. Not like any other, like I belong from a lower middle class, okay? So I will not like a child, a very aspiring child from a lower middle class to, to shut her or his dreams, to think that no, I belong to this class, so I should not aim high. You should aim high and then you will go to the goal, right? So don't stop your dreams, just go with the flow and study hard work. My future plans, as you asked, I want to clear the UPSC CSC exams and become an IAS officer or an IPS officer. I would be honored if I go to that, if I even get air. I'm thinking to get air rank, okay, UPSC exam, CSC exam, I will be very honored.
What's next for you?
Huh?
What's next?
Next, after this, I'll be pursuing art stream. I'll be going for the art stream, and I'll be doing BA in history or political science.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. But I concentrated on my extracurricular more as compared to studies. Also, like it was balanced. Yeah. I even used social media. There was not an end. I was active day night. But then also, I received this achievement. I'm so happy. This is not the end. I've received this, this top 3. This is not the end of my potential. I'm going to try hard to, get air also, like all India rank also. So, and I would like to thank them, my teachers, my sister. I was awake, she was awake. She used to tell me, she's a past student actually. She passed out with bright colors. I'm so happy for this. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much. Me joy. When I needed a time, I need a break. Then I always scroll through reels, endless reels, okay. And then I felt free. Like tomorrow is exam, what should I do? But then I said to myself that it's okay, calm down. You'll do good. You have studied the whole year, so you'll do good. Just scroll through 2-3 reels, you'll feel okay. Then I saw 2-3 reels, and then I was fine.
How many hours of your preparation for?
I knew that this question, but I never wasted my time actually counting the hours. But sometimes I slept at 12, sometimes I slept at 3. Some exams I did not sleep. Social science I did not sleep. I just went to give the exam and everything was fresh. Last minute study also helped. Like during the science exam, I was so scared that I did not finish reading, like revising all the chapters. So last chapter was from chemistry, the first chapter. So I just saw first line, and nothing came from that chapter. So, but then also it was very nice, the experience, that the struggle. I would like to thank my endless nights, the endless nights that I've spent, the sleepless nights. They have helped me so much. I did not see my name. I was like, oh, I'll ignore. But after I saw Jyotipriya, I was the happiest. Tears just fell, and I was so happy. Then I saw my sister, hey, your name also is there. Check out. Then I was like, oh yeah. But Jyotipriya, then I called her first. She's the first one that I called. She's also so happy. She was my inspiration. Her hard work was phenomenal. I'm so happy for this. Yeah, teachers also. My teachers, sister always motivated me. She called me, Tanushri, come, let's talk. Then she told me that, you have to balance everything, okay? Studies plus extracurricular. I also gave debate, elocution. I attended the elocution for Environment Day in Lady Hygiene Park. They gave prize and all. So I was not like only studies. I'm not that studious, that type of topper with, specs. But then also, I was not that kind always. I also like fashion, that's why. So I never just focused on studies. But I also focused on my extracurricular, like I love debate, I love giving speech, elocution, and even singing, dance, art, everything. I have an art account also in Instagram, even my personal account. I was not like stopping everything. I went with the flow.